Today I'm going to teach you how to highlight this week's date in Google Sheets using conditional formatting. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking deadlines, events, or any time-sensitive data and want to instantly see which entries fall within the current week. First, let's head over to your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files are stored. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to apply this week's date highlighting. This will open your Google Sheet and display all your data. Make sure you're working with the correct file before proceeding to the next steps. Now comes the important part. You need to highlight the data you want to format. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the column header itself, which will select the entire column. After selecting your data, look up at the top menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen where you'll configure the formatting rules. In the Conditional Formatting panel, you'll see a section labeled Format Cells. Click on the drop-down menu there and scroll down until you find the option that says Custom Formula select that option, as this will allow us to write a specific formula that identifies dates within the current week. Here's where the magic happens. In the formula field that appears, type equals weeknum open parenthesis. Then input the first cell reference from your selected range. For example, if your data starts in cell A1, type A1, close that with a parenthesis, then add equals weeknum open parenthesis. Today, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This formula compares the week number of each date in your column to the current week number, highlighting any matches. Now you'll see that it highlights all the dates that fall within this week. But if you want to take this a step further and highlight the entire row instead of just the date cell, simply add a $sign before the letter A in your cell reference. This locks the column while allowing the row to vary, extending the formatting across the entire row, and that's it. You've successfully set up conditional formatting to automatically highlight this week's dates in your Google Sheet. This formatting will update automatically as the weeks change, keeping your spreadsheet current without any manual effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.